हेलो। यूट्यूब वर्सेस टिकटॉक के टॉपिक पे एक और नॉट रिक्वायर्ड नॉन सेंसिकल वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है। नॉट रिक्वायर्ड वीडियो इसलिए क्योंकि ऑलरेडी यूट्यूब वर्सेस टिकटॉक पे बहुत सारे लोगों ने बहुत कुछ बोल दिया है और इस टॉपिक को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से टॉपिक का एक टाइटल भी दिया गया है, यूट्यूब वर्सेस टिकटॉक फाइट, यूट्यूब वर्सेस टिकटॉक रोस्ट, यूट्यूब वर्सेस टिकटॉक रिएक्शंस बाय वेरियस यूट्यूबर्स, वेरियस टिकटॉकर्स. But it's a fact that you have heard everything, you know everything. But as someone who has created around 250 TikTok videos and around 35 YouTube videos, मेरे पास भी कुछ बोलने को है. और अगर बोलने को है तो मैं बोलूंगी, और अगर मैं बोलूंगी तो आप सुनोगे. I mean, please सुन लो. So let's go and talk about this very interesting, not so interesting topic. Let's make it interesting. I will be talking about my personal experience with both YouTube and TikTok. TikTok मैंने कुछ 2015 में पहली बार यूज किया था. मुझे इस ऐप के बारे में तो कुछ महीने पहले पता चल गया था, बट टिल आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट मुझे 5 महीने लगे थे स्क्रॉल करके देखने में वीडियोस एंड समझने में कि क्या है ऐप, एंड आई पर्सनली फाउंड इट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. So it took me a few months to get into action and create my first video, which was a very lousy video. But let me tell you one thing. मैंने तब तक कोई भी वीडियो बनाया नहीं था ऐसे टाइप का. But I was always this kind of someone who loved to enact and make videos or something. But I had never tried it. क्योंकि तब तक क्या था, अपने को यही पता था कि एक तो डब स्मैश हुआ करता था, लेकिन उसमें भी अपन ने ज्यादा हाथ मारा नहीं था एंड ट्राई नहीं किया था. और एक YouTube होता है जिसमें कि आपको खुद से कंटेंट क्रिएट करना पड़ता है बिफोर यू गो and open a channel and start creating videos. But with TikTok, they already had content, you just had to enact it. And they made it more interesting by helping you add music and effects and certain things that you could play around the thing. And it was very short also, कि भाई 15 second का video है something. So it became easy for you to jump into it and break that initial inhibition of going online with your first ever video, right? So someone who was into work kind of a mode find this as a very refreshing app to have some fun with. And once I started using it, I kind of invested myself into it. And for whoever is saying that कि TikTok videos बनाना आसान है, let me tell you, एक वीडियो बनाने में 10-12 टेक लगते थे. Very similar to how we create videos on YouTube. So when I create videos on YouTube, at that point also I will actually have to ensure that the content comes out right. So I take many different takes of how to start the video, how to go ahead, the ending of the video and everything. Very similarly, YouTube, TikTok में तो और भी ज़्यादा उसका एक level of perfection required था, क्योंकि आपको lip sync करना होता था and you had to place your timing very rightly within that 15 seconds of frame. Now you will say that कि लेकिन लोग तो कुछ भी बना रहे हैं, कुछ भी डाल रहे हैं. So is the case with any platform. So if there is a platform, people will use it, misuse it, and may not even care about it, and they are just doing it for fun. So they are not doing it to hurt you by creating cringy videos. That is who they are. So we can't really debate on the fact that कि TikTok में cringy videos हैं या फिर YouTube में standard के videos हैं. That is not at all a debate for that matter. Now coming to TikTok, it also helped many household families to actually have some fun within the 4 walls of their house. And I saw many housewives and all age groups actually coming and trying their hands on TikTok. Unlike YouTube में क्या है, आपको काफी सोचना समझना पड़ता है, and that is something very positive that you will only come out with a video if you have good enough content on YouTube, because it asks for a lot of investment, as in to open a channel, to prepare a channel and start uploading the videos. वो process ही अपने आप में थोड़ा सा demanding है, so it filters out many cringiness out of it. But with TikTok, it's easy to go out and just get started with an account and start creating the videos. So that could be the case why many people who don't have enough, I can't talk about talent as in, but they are not very keen on doing just the good thing, but they just want to have fun with that, so they go ahead and create a video. Now you can demean a platform based on that, because there are so many people I know on TikTok, and you also know on TikTok who actually are doing brilliant job. There are many discoveries that happen of talent of people who were otherwise not known to the world, and they were in a corner जहाँ उनके लिए बहुत मुश्किल था कि लोग उनको डिस्कवर करें. जैसे there is someone who plays carom board brilliantly, but if you see the house of the person, the background, you can obviously see that they come from a very humble background, and these people may not know about YouTube at all. मतलब उनको YouTube का इतना आइडिया भी नहीं होगा. It's very difficult for them to get on that platform to show off their skill कि भाई lighting proper हो and एक 5 मिनट का वीडियो बनाए, but it's easy for them to do a 15-second video. So when the case is how easy a platform is to use and how filtration happens because of the process of starting a channel, then you really can't compare two platforms because they're entirely different and meant for two entirely different audience and creators. But you can't really create a kind of a thing कि भाई TikTok वालों का level यहाँ है तो YouTube वालों का level यहाँ है. There is nothing of that sort because each require different kinds of skill set. So that is one of the points that I realized that why I don't know this roasting and everything is happening. Maybe because YouTubers think that यार हम इतनी मेहनत करके इतना लंबा चौड़ा वीडियो बनाते हैं, TikTok वाले 15 सेकंड में बनाकर इतने सारे ब्रांड एसोसिएशंस भी कोलैब्स भी ले जाते हैं, लाइक्स भी आ जाते हैं एंड कमेंट्स भी ढेरों आ जाते हैं. Let me tell you one thing. The first thing I noticed about TikTok is that TikTok पे community बहुत प्यारी थी. When I started, it was Musical.ly and the community was so supportive that when someone who was trying to do an act, people used to support him or her. They didn't used to demean them. अब मुझे नहीं पता क्योंकि now I am not very active over there. I plan to go back to that platform and do something related to my performance, but I have not yet explored it to that level. But when I was doing it, I realized that many people who are just giving it a try, wanting to escape from their daily monotonous जो उनका एक रूटीन है उससे हटकर वो कुछ जब उस पर डालते थे और obviously उसमें दिख जाता था कि they are struggling with the whole idea, but still people used to encourage them. Right, so I think the community-wise TikTok was doing really good, and I think it's still doing really good. Many personalities, celebrities have gone to TikTok now. They are also starting to explore the platform. With YouTube, the thing is that YouTube TikTok से बहुत पहले से exist करता है, and so it's not necessary that you get much traction on YouTube until unless your content really kicks in. It's very difficult to get views or comments or encouragement in that sort, and that is fine because that is how YouTube is made. Like that is what the platform is all about. You will have to come out with something really useful for the audience. But अपने को YouTube में भी दिख जाते हैं कि people are actually not putting very worthy videos, so I can't really comment on that as well. Keeping in view all of that, I personally feel that TikTok gives you a kind of पहला वो जो एक आपको इनहिबिशन होता है ना वीडियो बनाने के लिए, उससे निकलने में आपको हेल्प करता है बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स यू विद ऑल द इक्विपमेंट्स रिक्वायर्ड. आपको कुछ नहीं करना होता, आपको सिर्फ मुंह हिलाना होता है, बट बिलीव मी दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी टफ. एंड इन दैट ऑल्सो हजारों लोग करते हैं तो 2 लोगों का वीडियो जो है हिट होता है बिकॉज दे डू इट राइट, दे डू इट इन द राइट वे. सो एफर्ट्स आर ऑब्वियसली देयर एज वेल. YouTube में you will have to create your own content, and as I said, that is a filtration in itself. So मैं personally तो ऐसा सोचती हूँ कि देखो भाई साहब, ये जो रोज चैनल फाइट और ऐसे नाम दिए जा रहे हैं, it started somewhere I guess, and people just started picking on it, and now everyone has a viewpoint, and mainly YouTubers who have reached a point and TikTokers who have reached a certain level, they have something to argue about. Personally, this is my viewpoint that I love both the platforms. I would love to explore both the platforms, and I think many YouTubers are there on TikTok and exploring the platform after they have already explored YouTube for quite some years. So I think everyone understands how important these two different platforms are. Like अलग-अलग अगर देखा जाए तो both are important for them. Both have a different audience, and that's why different kinds of content work on both of the platforms. ये बोलते हुए इस छोटे से वीडियो को मैं यहीं पर समाप्त करती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे इतना ही बोलना था, एंड मुझे इसलिए बोलना था क्योंकि एक व्यू पॉइंट था यार, मतलब बनाया हुआ है 250 तो आई नो थोड़ी मेहनत लगती है उसमें, ऐसे ही मेहनत लगती है, आपको ट्राइपॉड लगाना होता है, कैमरा सेट करना होता है, और लाइटिंग तो यार किसको नहीं चाहिए, राइट? यूट्यूब में भी चाहिए और टिकटॉक में भी चाहिए. इट हेल्प्स यू एनहांस योर वीडियो. सो विद दैट नोट आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू से कि इफ बहुत बुरे बुरे कमेंट्स इधर उधर डाले जा रहे हैं, बोले जा रहे हैं, which is very demeaning for the platform as well, and as creators and consumers of the content, I don't think we should get into something like this, and just respect both the platform individually and just move on and just consume good content. So with that note, I'm going to say bye bye. Subscribe करो, मुफ्त है ऐसा सब लोग कहते हैं और मुझे भी पता चला कि मुफ्त है. So why don't you subscribe? Just subscribe to the channel Batton Ki Bakwas and join the tribe and let's have some fun. I'm going to come up with few poems in near future. I'm working on them, and there are 2 videos in loop where I'm talking about something very I won't say inspirational, but it's more like my personal experience with doing mistakes and accepting them. So that would be my next topic on Batton Ki Bakwas. Till then, let's stop this TikTok versus YouTube wali ladai and just carry on. Bye bye.